Hey, Micah. What are you doing? You're so funny. Your favorite. Squiggle worm. Boo, boo, boo. What do you have to say?
Mama, I want
Huh?
Mama, I want my knife.
What are you doing? Yeah, well, let me show you how you can use your knife. See, what you have to do is you have to go like this.
Really?
Oh, you want to start it for me?
Micah. Micah. Hi. Hi. You're so cute. You're so cute.